Preface to Aids to Forensic Medicine and Toxicology by W.G. Aitchison, Robertson. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Reading by Bologna Times. Preface to Aids to Forensic Medicine and Toxicology by W.G. Aitchison, Robertson, M.D., Doctor of Science, F.R.C.P.E., Lecturer on Forensic Medicine, School of Medicine, Edinburgh, late Examiner in the Universities of Edinburgh and St. Andrews, for the Triple Board, Diploma in Public Health, etc. Preface to Ninth Edition. I trust that, having thoroughly revised the Aids to Forensic Medicine, it may prove as useful to students preparing for examination in the future as it has been in the past. W.G. Aitchison, Robertson, Surgeons' Hall, Edinburgh, November, 1921. Preface to Eighth Edition. This work of the late Dr. William Murrell having met with such a large measure of success, the publishers thought it would be well to bring out a new edition, and invited me to revise the last impression. This I have done, and while retaining Dr. Murrell's text closely, I have made large additions, in order to bring the aids up to present requirements. I have also rearranged the matter with the object of making the various sections more consecutive than they were previously. W.G. Aitchison Robertson, Surgeons' Hall, Edinburgh, June 1914. Contents. Part 1. Forensic Medicine. Chapter 1. Crimes. Chapter 2. Medical Evidence. Chapter 3. Personal Identity. Chapter 4. Examination of persons found dead. Chapter 5. Modes of sudden death. Chapter 6. Signs of death. 7. Death from anesthetics. 8. Presumption of death, survivorship. 9. Assaults, murder, manslaughter, etc. 10. Wounds and mechanical injuries. 11. Contused wounds, etc. 12. Incised wounds. 13. Gunshot wounds. 14. Wounds of various parts of the body. 15. Detection of bloodstains, etc. 16. Death by suffocation. 17. Death by hanging. 18. Death by strangulation. 19. Death by drowning. 20. Death from starvation. 21. Death from lightning and electricity. 22. Death from cold or heat. 23. Pregnancy. 24. Delivery. 25. Feticide or criminal abortion. 26. Infanticide. 27. Evidences of live birth. 28. Cause of death in the fetus. 29. Duration of pregnancy. 30. Viability of children. 31. Legitimacy. 32. Superfetation. 33. Inheritance. 34. Impotence and sterility. 35. Rape. 36. Unnatural offenses. 37. Blackmailing. 38. Marriage and divorce. 39. Feigned diseases. 40. Mental unsoundness. 41. Idiocy, imbecility, cretinism. 42. Dementia. 43. Mania, lucid intervals, undue influence, responsibility, etc. 44. Examination of persons of unsound mind. 45. Inebriates acts. Part 2. Toxicology. Chapter 1. Definition of a poison. Chapter 2. Scheduled poisons. 3. Classification of poisons. 4. Evidence of poisoning. 5. Symptoms and post-mortem appearances of different classes of poisons. 6. Duty of practitioner in supposed case of poisoning. 7. Treatment of poisoning. 8. Detection of poison. 9. The mineral acids. 10. Sulfuric acid. 11. Nitric acid. 12. Hydrochloric acid. 13. Oxalic acid. 14. Carbolic acid. 15. Potash, soda, and ammonia. 16. Nitrate of potassium, etc. 17. Potassium salts, etc. 18. Barium salts. 19. Iodine, iodide of potassium. 20. Phosphorus. 21. Arsenic and its preparations. 22. Antimony and its preparations. 23. Mercury and its preparations. 24. Lead and its preparations. 25. Copper and its preparations. 26. Zinc, silver, bismuth, and chromium. 27. Gaseous poisons. 28. Vegetable irritants. 29. Opium and morphine. 30. Belladonna, hyoscyamus, and stramonium. 31. Cocaine. 32. Camphor. 33. Tetrachloroethane. 34. Alcohol, ether, and chloroform. 35. Chloral hydrate. 36. Petroleum and paraffin oil. 37. Antipyrine, antifebrin, phenacetin, and aniline. 38. Sulfonal, trianol, tetranol, veronal, paraldehyde. 39. Conium and calibarbine. 40. Tobacco and lobelia. 41. Hydrocyanic acid. 42. Aconite. 43. Digitalis. 44. Nux vomica, strychnine, and brucine. 45. Cantharides. 46. Abortifacients. 47. Poisonous fungi and toxic foods. 48. Ptomaines, or cadaveric alkaloids. End of Preface and Contents.